This is my BMW E82 plastic elimination for the coolant system project. What I have here is an aluminum radiator with the old school inlets and outlets. What you can see here, in order to make it acceptable for this vehicle, I had to add a inlet here, outlet for the return line to the expansion tank, and there's also a hose from the heater core that is put on here, which I had to fabricate also. I also put a AN8 which will connect this, because I eliminated the heater exchange for the transmission. I also eliminated that heater exchanger and put a cooler on the driver's side for the transmission. I just cut into the rubber lines and made the AN fittings here, and then purchased the AN8 lines and the AN fittings for the cooler. That eliminates the exchanger for the transmission. I have not found a aluminum expansion tank so far. If anybody knows where there is one, so far I just purchased the OEM one, and that's where I'm at with this. This I also purchased, which is a OEM. You can, which I'm going to do later on, is use AN10 lines, stainless steel lines, to fabricate this entire unit, because that end actually connects to a rubber hose that you can cut into and put a AN fitting and eliminate all this plastic also. This I fabricated, this line here, to the coolant thermostat. I also put a unit here, aluminum unit here, coupling with a sensor. I'm going to put a coolant sensor or a sensor to activate a cooling fan for the oil cooler, which I eliminated the old housing, and I'll show you what I have here. This is the old housing, which comes stock. I installed the BMW 135i thermostat and put the cooler on the passenger side. What I'm going to do with this unit here, the housing, is I'm going to put a aluminum bead here to eliminate this connector, and I can put the hose with the regular clamps, old school, and eliminate that plastic connector which is here. Those who have the car know what I'm talking about. This also applies for an E90. It's basically the same setup. I also eliminated this plastic connector that goes into the block, or actually the cylinder head, and this is aluminum you can get in eBay. So that's where I'm at this point. If anybody knows any other ideas to eliminate any other plastic, I would appreciate any comments, and that's it. Thank you.